Bonnie, happy Sunday! Oh my gosh, you guys. I thought tonight I would do one of my longer chat videos. I pulled a whole bunch of fall candles. We're going to talk about the fall season. Hit or miss. It wasn't the greatest fall season. I gotta say, I do have pumpkin bonfire burning right now. Oh my gosh, but first, Suzanne Summers died. Oh my gosh, that really got me. You know me, I am a huge fan of everything pop culture. So I actually just read about that on Facebook. I was going to read a little bit more about her life later tonight because I was such a huge fan. So, yeah, kind of a dark and rainy day today. And I decided to kind of pull some fall candles out. And I was going through the sale list at Bath and Body Works, and I'm like, you know what? I got to talk a little bit more about the fall season. So, one of my favorite candles from Bath and Body Works for late fall, and it's funny, I feel like I just said this. It was like August. I remember saying this. Pumpkin Bonfires, a total win. It's got a lot of clove, but it's like a nice rich scent for when the weather turns. I didn't love the jars this year, by the way. This was awful to me. It just felt kind of boring and cheap. It looked like a Walmart candle. Terrible. It did. I just didn't like that jar, but it smells really good. So I was just gonna enjoy my pumpkin bonfire tonight while I talk to you guys about fall candles. So today, of course, we've got the buy one, get one. A lot of the Christmas candles are starting to roll in. It's funny, too, because I did a sort new arrivals, and I'm like, why is Warm Ocean Breeze showing up as a new arrival? I think they got their sorting off. But you kind of got to scroll down to get to the fall ones. Although I got to say, cinnamon sugared pecans, well, it's got Christmas packaging. This is like a fall candle. So the seasons kind of mix. I was really kind of sad that we didn't have Marshmallow Fireside in a fall jar. It's got a stocking on it. I love my Marshmallow Fireside, but it's definitely got that Christmas packaging. So let me scroll down. Let me get to the fall. There's not a lot left, by the way, in fall candles, I feel like. I'm still scrolling. Oh, the new ones we had. I am returning, I think, my apricot and green fig. I literally can't even get myself to light this one. This was the apricot, sandalwood, lush fig, and creamy coconut. What a disastrous combo. Apricot, fig, and creamy coconut with sandalwood. I don't even smell the sandalwood in here. And it's literally like I just opened the jar and it's choking me. So yeah, that's going back. That's gonna go in the return pile. It's my only one in the return pile, but it's going in. I feel like we had so many repackages and they didn't give us a lot of stuff that we wanted back. The thing that they did give us back was Radiant Red Maple, which was a repackage from couple of years ago. Actually, that was one of my favorite candles of the fall season. I actually love the packaging. A lot of people didn't. I'll put a screenshot up right here. I liked it. I thought it was really nice. I loved the scent. That was like a highlight of the fall season for me. And then we got the pumpkin spice latte twisted peppermint combo. But why did we only get 2 limited editions for fall? I thought that was a very strange rollout to only give us 2. And I kind of don't think that we would get an additional, candle or 2 in that collection because we're already moving into Christmas unless they do some Christmas limited edition. But that was just a really bizarre rollout. The 2 candles really had nothing to do with each other. I mean, Red Radiant Maple was definitely a fall candle. And then Pumpkin Spice Latte was a little bit fall, a little bit Christmas. I don't know. It was just really strange. And then the bakery. Missing so many of the good bakery candles. Banana Walnut Muffin, Pumpkin Donut Shop. Where are those? It's funny because they brought those out a couple years ago and everyone was just like, they love them. And then now it's like, those are really 2 candles that were completely missing from the fall lineup that a lot of people wanted back. So I have no idea what was going on. in terms of why they wouldn't bring back two really popular candles. Banana Walnut Muffin, I really missed that one this year. Um, in terms of some of the other stuff, so we got the fresh brewed coffee. That was a good one. I gotta say, at first I was kind of excited about fall. I'm like, they're gonna hit fall really good this year. We got apple macchiato, which I like. They brought that one back. The blue one, I'm gonna get to it on the list here. The pumpkin, what was that? Blueberry pumpkin spice. That wasn't bad. I feel like they made a mistake of not bringing back blueberry maple pancakes early like they usually do, because to me that's like an August candle. Everyone likes that one. But it seemed like the freshly brewed coffee got sold out like really early. No one could find it, which was bad. I'm just looking at the list here. So white pumpkin, ugly jar. Oh my gosh, I did not like that jar at all. Welcome home. Let's see here. Sunrise Woods, pumpkin pecan waffles still available. Although I don't know what they're thinking. These jars, to me, I'm gonna put a screenshot up here. I don't even know what this is. It's like a pine cone. It's funny because the jar always means something to me. You know me, I like a good jar, and the pumpkin pecan waffles. I don't know who designed this jar, but it just didn't work. It just looked like an abstract pine cone. The same with leaves in that same design. It almost looked like broccoli. I don't know. It was just so bizarre. Let me see here. Pumpkin apple came back, of course, which makes sense. Pumpkin apple is a winner. Harvest pomegranate. I'm not sure. Like prickly pear sangria, smoked caramel mezcal. Those weren't fall candles, I don't think. Those just happened to come out around fall. Let's see here. We had Marshmallow Fireside in the White Barn. I didn't even know that one was out, by the way. Pumpkin Pecan Waffles is a lot prettier, by the way, in the orange White Barn. I would get that one instead. Again, White Pumpkin. There's a third version of Pumpkin Pecan Waffles in the Paisley. I know a lot. I didn't even bring a Paisley out here, did I? Oh, yeah. I brought the Paisley out. A lot of people didn't like this. I liked it, actually. I was so hopeful back in like July when we got this set because I'm like, ooh, these are cool. But then it kind of just went downhill from there. We had pumpkin apple in the Paisley. What was the other one? I think that one sold out, the blue one now. We also had those jars. They were like brightly colored. Cinnamon stick was one of them, with the gold. That one was actually really nice. I'll have to say, cinnamon stick I usually like more at Christmas time, but I gotta say, it really was nice. That was one of my favorite candles of fall. Then we had some of the like leather and brandy, but as I'm looking through here, I would say like 50% maybe of the fall candles feel like they're sold out. I just can't believe what a small selection we have now of the fall candles. Like I said, freshly brewed coffee, the blueberry pumpkin spice one, gone. And really, it's only October 14th. I mean, I say that lightly because I know Christmas is rolling in, but still, a lot of people are still enjoying fall right now. I think one of my biggest recommendations to get, if you haven't tried a fall candle and you're looking for a good one, apple and charcoal was actually really good. I enjoyed that one a lot. I'm not even seeing pumpkin bonfire on here. Oh my goodness. I feel like everything is sold out. I feel like the jars just really did not. Let me look up pumpkin bonfire. Yeah, all I see it is in the single wick. By the way, it is white pumpkin, bundle of cloves, and glowing embers. I like it. It's nice. It's relaxing. It's not overpowering. It's also in the wallflower. But the 3-wick is sold out. One I didn't review this year. This was a fall one. Fall Forest. Forest pine needles, woodland moss, chilly fall air. I don't know. I might return this one, actually. I never got around to it. It doesn't smell like Christmas. I think that's going in the return pile, too. I got 2 in my return pile. Leaves. I liked leaves this year. What else do we have? Fireside is a Christmas candle for me. I like it, but it smells like Santa's house. I feel like they did the best, maybe, on Halloween. I did enjoy Everlasting Magic. I thought the lid was totally unique. I have an extra one of these just to save. Midnight Spell didn't do anything for me. Pumpkin Carving's always a good, nice fall candle. But I really feel like we were totally lacking this year in any type of bakery. We got Praline Delight, which is actually, a lot of people said, a repackage of the Santa's Christmas. Was it Santa's Christmas cookies? Which I'm tending to agree with now. But lots of repackages, not a lot of interesting packaging, and a lot of early sellouts, which is why I feel like they're really pushing Christmas right now. I feel like that's the majority of the ones coming in. Warm apple pie, I'm seeing. I don't even see that one. That was actually a really nice jar. I'll have to say that was the one jar that I really actually liked for fall. I'm not seeing warm apple pie. There's just a big mishmash online right now. But they are having that 60% off sale. After yesterday's sale with the additional 25% off, I feel like fall is over. So I know a lot of people, that's one of the questions I get. Are fall candles going to be at the Candle Day or December semi-annual sale? No, they are not going to be around. I mean, you'll be lucky if maybe like your store has one or two that they just had returns on. But for the most part, if you don't buy fall now, fall's going away. I feel like Pumpkin Pecan Waffles is the one. They've got 3 versions of it online. There's no body care, but there's the candle in 3 versions. But yeah, fall is pretty much over in terms of candles at Bath & Body Works. As far as like ranking the fall season, I am actually going to go out on a limb this year, and I'm giving it like a 6. And I think I'm being generous. I feel like fall just was totally lacking in the bakery. They needed to give us some sort of bakery candle to make up for not having banana walnut muffin and pumpkin donut shop. And I feel like we didn't get that this year. So anyway, oh my gosh, let me know what you guys think of the Bath & Body Works fall candle selection this year. Like I said, I was so excited at the beginning because I was like the person who loved these jars. And then it just kind of went downhill from there. I gotta burn my apple macchiato. That was like a highlight. But anyway, we shall see what happens for Christmas this year. But yeah, fall wasn't doing anything for me. I'll still burn my favorite fall candles. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.